Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you an easy way to catch a smooth hammerhead fish in Heartopia. So this fish is a rare fish that has a unique shape like this. And to get this fish or to catch this fish, just go to the old sea area. And this fish just bounce from the 6 p.m. until 6 a.m. and it's only spawns at the rainbow weather. So make sure you check the weather first before catch this fish, and then just go to the old sea on here. Just go to this area and then just start fishing on here. And you can also use fish attractor or mermaid perfume to increase your chances of getting this fish. And okay, that's it. Super easy, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!